batting. There are many shots that can be played whilst batting. Here are just 4 examples of numerous shots you can play in cricket. But the main reason for this slide is to show when batting that each batsman, as you can see, has some part of their body behind this line. This line is called the popping line or the batting line, and the batsman has to have some part of his body behind this line when batting. So he'll take a stance and he'll set up 1 foot behind and usually 1 foot in front. Sometimes the batsman will have both feet together behind the line, or sometimes, depending on how brave the batsman is being, will have no feet behind the line. So basically that is a rule that you have to have some part of your body behind the popping line or the batting line, as it's also known as. Scoring system. There are 4 ways of scoring runs in cricket. So the first one is basically when the batsman hits the ball, him and his other batting partner must run across the crease to the opposite wicket. Depending on how many times they do this, they'll score runs. The second way is by scoring a 4, and basically scoring a 4 is by hitting the ball to the boundary. The ball has to hit the ground before it gets to the boundary to score a 4. If the batsman hits the ball and the ball is hit over the boundary without bouncing, then that is called a 6, and he scores 6 runs. That is the third way, by scoring a 6. The fourth way is basically when the batsman, nothing to do with the batsman, sorry. It is when the bowler bowls a ball outside the zoned crease. So and therefore the batsman is awarded 1 run and the bowler has to repeat that ball. So those are the 4 ways in which the batsman scores runs. Ways in which you get out in cricket. So there are 4 ways in which you can be announced out in cricket. So the first one here is by being caught. To catch the ball, you have to catch the ball before it bounces. And it has to come off the bat. So the ball has to be hit off the bat and then caught before it bounces. The second way is by being bowled so basically being bowled is when the bowler bowls the ball and he hits the wickets. It doesn't matter what wicket he has hit. If it hits the wickets, the batsman is out. The third way is something called LBW, which stands for leg before wicket. So as you can see here, the bowler has bowled the ball and it has hit his leg. If the ball is in line with the wickets and it still hits the leg, it is out. If the ball, let's say, hit this leg here, it would not have been out, due to the fact because his leg is not in front of the wickets. The fourth way is by being stumped. So if the batsman has missed the ball and none of his body is behind the popping line or the batting line, the wicket keeper can take the ball, can catch the ball and hit his stumps. So if the batsman outside his batting line, then and the wicket hits the stumps, he is out. Thank you.